Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry bonbons. First, select ripe, firm strawberries, about 1 pound, and wash them thoroughly. Pat them completely dry to ensure the chocolate adheres properly. Next, melt 12 ounces of good quality white chocolate with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a double boiler or microwave, stirring until smooth. This creates a perfect, dippable consistency for your delicious treats. Now, let's get those strawberries ready for their sweet transformation. Gently hull each strawberry, removing the green leafy tops while keeping the berry intact. Then, carefully insert a lollipop stick or a sturdy skewer into the top of each strawberry. This handle will make dipping much easier. Place the prepared strawberries on a parchment-lined tray and chill them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. This helps the chocolate set quickly. With your strawberries chilled and chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part. Dipping. Hold a strawberry by its stick and submerge it completely into the white chocolate. Gently tap the stick against the bowl's edge to let any excess chocolate drip off. Place the dipped strawberry onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. While the chocolate is still wet, you can add sprinkles, or once set, drizzle with dark chocolate for an elegant finish. Once all your strawberry bonbons are dipped and decorated, it's crucial to let them set properly. Place the baking sheet back into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is firm to the touch. These delightful treats are best enjoyed chilled, so keep them refrigerated until serving time. They make a fantastic dessert or a thoughtful gift. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.